This video presents 5 dropshipping items with great potential, which can help boost your business. The first one is the plastic wrap dispenser. Higher views mean more user attention, larger market demand, more potential customers, positive product feedback shows its practical functions and high user satisfaction. It is a powerful assistant for convenient kitchens with high demand and no worries about customer sources. Lightweight, portable and stylish, it appeals to homemakers and catering workers. Work with SourcinBox to get controllable costs and keep more profits to boost your earnings. The second one is the dog pooper scooper. Pet supplies are always hot in dropshipping. Their growing Google Trends suggest a relatively stable market demand. Multiple videos getting millions of views on TikTok show it has a large potential customer base and is highly accepted by users. It's lightweight, easy to use and thoughtfully designed. It's ideal for daily dog walks and is favored by owners. Plus, with a huge dog-owning community, there's an endless customer base. It's also promotion-friendly and can be bundled for more sales. The third recommendation is the Lotus Trolley Bag. Its videos have many views on TikTok, indicating a large potential customer base and strong consumer willingness. Good user feedback is the best advertisement for the product. It's portable and labor-saving, with super storage and exquisite partitions, fitting daily shopping needs and appealing to a wide audience. Also, it's sellable all year round, fashionable, eye-catching and easy to promote for more sales. The fourth one is the couch cup holder tray. As shown in the Google search graph, the market demand is huge and this money-making opportunity shouldn't be missed. This item has drawn high attention on TikTok shortly, indicating consumers' strong buying desire and eagerness to get it. Nowadays, people often stay home for shows and games on the sofa, so they need drink holders, which this product perfectly meets and has many potential customers. Also, it's light, portable, easy to install, fits all armrests and is very practical and available all year round. The last one is the 6-in-1 Abdominal Board. Multiple product videos with millions of views signal alignment with consumer trends and a large pool of potential customers. As people focus on health and fitness, the 6-in-1 Abdominal Board is easy to find target customers. With multiple functions, it attracts diverse exercisers. Applicable in multiple scenarios, it stands out and enhances store competitiveness.